everybody, and welcome to this week's free newsletter from Trade with Precision. My name is Craig Cobb, and I just want to do a bit of a watch list, really, show you some of the markets that I'm liking the look of at the moment, and yeah, you can fit your rules in around that. So, first things first, I'm loving the dollar at the moment. It's extremely strong, as shown here on the dollar index, which you would have seen from the video, the free news that went out the other day. It's a very strong trend. I like the look of it. I like it higher. I see no weakness in that trend, and therefore I'm going to look at some of these spot currencies. An Aussie dollar, I spoke of it, or have spoken of it in past bits and pieces, and it's at this level here, 86.50. We rejected that overnight, and we have that candle right there, and it's really looking likely to continue to the downside. So really, look, I'm just looking at all the time frames now, looking for opportunities to be short. There was a cracking little opportunity here on the 8 hour. I was sleeping, but a really nice looking trend. So yeah, just basically stalking that, waiting throughout the week for opportunities to get short. The same goes for euro dollar. Okay, euro dollar looking very good as well. The bears definitely controlling this market. The one thing that is here on euro dollar coming up is there's a bit of support here. Look, it's not the strongest level I've ever seen, but there is a little bit there, and we did come down and retest that just last week. The trend does look bearish. It still looks lower to me. It's pulled back up into this level, and we're pulling off. A break of these lows would certainly be a great place to be a real strong bear. Pulling back into that would be great to see. And again, I'm just going through these time frames, looking for opportunities to join that trend to the short side. Again, you've got to keep in mind as well, as I go through these dollar pairs, cable included, I wouldn't, if one sets up, there might be four that sets up. There might be all of them that set up. So I would split my risk or look for the best possible trading opportunities for those. And the same thing here on cable. Lovely downtrend. Again, the 8 hour superb, a 4 hour superb as well. Again, just looking for those good opportunities to get short. Nothing. The one that I don't really have any interest in is Kiwi dollar right now. Kiwi dollar, why? Well, we've got to get down through this support level. We're not there yet, so I'm not interested. If we can, as you can see, it's pretty significant. If we can get down through that level, then opportunities pulling back into that area or trading breaks of that area would certainly be on the cards on the lower time frame. But right now, there's just nothing really setting up there on Kiwi dollar. Definitely one for the watch list though, as these all are. Dollar CAD also very good looking chart, had a good move overnight, pulled back into that area that we talk about, the buy zone, and rejected it beautifully well. Again, looking for that continuation, looking for opportunities to join that trend. Now for dollar Swiss and dollar Sing, as I'm sure you can probably imagine, it's very much the same story. So what I want to do now is just have a look at a couple of metals. So Gold's in a good downtrend. Look, it came back up and retested, or just about retested these old lows. This is the level that we retested. A good rejection of that. Gold had a very good sell-off, and again, the same sort of thing. This trading game is not rocket science, guys. You need to have structured trading approaches. You need to have real strategy, and you need to know exactly what you're doing. But when it comes to trend, if you understand trend, you know exactly what you're looking for. And I'm just looking to join this trend. Again, no reason for me to be joining it just yet, but I'm certainly keeping a close eye on it. And same with silver. Gold and silver being in the press quite a bit, and silver is definitely a leader of these metals. As you can see, a breakdown through this support level on the monthly. The daily right now, we've had a bit of a pullback. I'd actually love to see it pull back some more. I'd love to see it come back up into this sell zone, give a nice bearish candle. And we very well may get that this week, in which case I'll be all over that. Okay, down in these lower time frames, nothing right now. I'm waiting for that daily pullback. If it continues to move lower, then I'll be happy to trade that too. Crude oil, starting to get a bit more momentum again here. The weekly and obviously the monthly are down. We've pulled back into these lows, rejected it, and it's quite a strong rejection actually. It's the fourth time we've failed to close above 79. So with that in mind, I will be looking at the lower time frames, looking for trading opportunities through here to join that to the downside. And the final one, might be one you don't trade very often or may have not traded, is orange juice. I trade with precision. The way that we trade is we have multiple strategies, 3 of them, that we apply to any market in any time frame. So whether it be orange juice, foreign exchange, or an equity, if you know the strategies, you can apply it on any market in any time frame, making the strategy extremely robust. Now you can see there's been a wonderful fall here in orange juice, and I'm really just looking for pullbacks up into this sell zone. I'm looking for my PLT trading strategy, pulling back up into those levels, to rejoin that trend to the downside. So guys, to learn more about what we do, how we trade, and what our strategies are, look, the easiest way to do it really. So what we've got this week is this: how to become a successful trader. It's absolutely crucial that you guys get a hold of this and watch this, because it does show you, if you're new or if you're not getting the success, how to set the game up and how to give yourself a really good chance of actually doing well with this. Now, this webinar is going to be at 2 times. It's going to be the Wednesday the 12th of November for both of these. The first webinar will be at 7 p.m. Sydney, 9 p.m. Auckland and 8 a.m. London. The next one will be at 8 p.m. London, 7 a.m. Sydney the following day, and 9 a.m. Auckland the following day. So jump on there, guys. It's absolutely free for you to go through and watch that webinar. I hope a lot of you attend, get a lot out of that, and I hope this video helps your trading week.